Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 motorcycle DVR. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 3, Vantrue F1. Specifications. Special features, G-sensor, built-in GPS. Battery, built-in. Placement, motorcycle head, motorcycle rider. View angle, 160 degrees. Max external memory, 128 GB. Pixels, 500 mega. Interface, USB 2.0. Customized voice guidance and wired remote control. Product number 2, Motorcycle DVR 2K front and rear dash cam. Specifications. Brand name, Sohm. Sensor size, 1/3 inches. Sensor type, CMOS. Imaging sensor, Sony CCD. GPS logger, internal. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Placement, motorcycle handle, motorcycle head. View angle, 150 degrees. Max external memory, 256 GB. Pixels, 1200 mega. Interface, Wi-Fi. Image stabilization, electronic image stabilization. Product number 1, 6.25-inch motorcycle navigation. Specifications. System, Linux V533. Resolution, 1560x720p. Waterproof level, IPX8. Screen size, 6.25 inch. Screen, QLED 2.5D. Function, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Bluetooth, 5.0. DVR, optional. TPMS, optional. Remote key, optional. GPS plus speakers, optional.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.